you're thinking of staying at O2 Beach Club and Spa, here's what you actually need to know before you book. This is O2 Beach Club and Spa, one of the newer all-inclusive resorts in Barbados. But it's built for a very specific type of traveler. O2 Beach Club and Spa is a modern all-inclusive resort located on the south coast of Barbados. Actually, it's pretty near to the famous St. Lawrence Gap. Everything is designed to be handled in one space. Your meals, drinks, multiple restaurants, there's a rooftop pool, and a full-service spa. So you don't really need to leave the property if you don't want to. If you're visiting Barbados for the first time and don't want to figure everything out, this makes the trip simple. You have multiple dining options, beach access, and everything structured in a way that removes decision making. It's also a great fit if you prefer staying on property and enjoying the hotel itself, rather than planning activities every day. The value here comes from using what's already included. And if you're someone who prefers a more modern, polished environment over something older and more traditional, this fits perfectly for you. The first thing you'll notice is how clean and updated everything feels. The design is modern, bright, and very put together compared to some of the more traditional hotels on the island. There's a calm, controlled energy here. Not a party resort, but not quiet to the point of feeling empty. The rooftop pool and beach areas give you that different space, and mood depending on how you're feeling. And the service leans towards attentive without being overbearing. Food and drinks are a big part of the experience. Since it's all-inclusive, you're not thinking about where you're going to eat and how much anything costs. Everything is already handled, which can change the pace for your stay completely. This works best for couples or travelers who want an easy, contained experience. If you plan to explore Barbados heavily, trying different restaurants, moving around the island, booking excursions, then you may not get full value from staying here. It's also not ideal if you're looking for a large resort with endless activities or like a high energy party atmosphere. But St. Lawrence Gap is very close with an active nightlife. Should you book O2 Beach Club and Spa? If you want to stay where everything is already taken care of and you can settle in the experience without planning everything, perfect choice. If you prefer structure, convenience, and a modern environment that works well, this is for you. But if your trip is more about exploring the island and building your own experience day to day, and you want something less all-inclusive and more flexible, you may have to think again. It really comes down to how you want to experience Barbados. As always, if you have enjoyed this video and you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below.